At the beginning of the 19th century, steam engines appeared in nearly all spheres of life, including transport. Steam locomotives were the first railway locomotives to be powered by engines. This invention soon became popular and revolutionized public and freight transport. The English engineers George Stephenson and his son Robert had collected results from earlier research on locomotives, then improved previous models by adding original ideas and technological innovations. They developed fire tubes to convey the exhaust gases from the boiler into the air and blast pipes to make steam production more effective. By making the connecting rods and the piston cylinders shorter than before, they managed to apply a larger driving force to the wheels. Their invention revolutionized the production of locomotives. Their principles and engineering solutions were used in the construction of the majority of later locomotives. Their most famous locomotive was called the Rocket. It measured 7 meters in length and nearly 5 meters in height and weighed 4.3 tons. Thanks to its speed and reliability, it won the Rainhill Trials in 1829, an important competition for steam locomotives. Fired with coal and wheat stored in a tender, it had a maximum speed of 47 kilometers per hour. When the railway line was opened in 1830, the Rocket locomotive hauled the first successful passenger train in the world.